Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be making a very different cleanser unlike the one I made previously. The one I made previously is just a regular all-purpose cleanser, but because we're in a sensitive time in history now that COVID-19 is everywhere, I put this together to give your cleansing more power. So we are going to make our own all natural non-toxic disinfecting cleanser. So if you want to disinfect your tabletop at the fraction of the cost of the expensive and even scarce disinfectant out there, this is for you. So we need white vinegar, just like we used in the previous one. Then we're going to the new ingredient. One of the new ingredients is washing soda, so we're going to use washing soda. Okay, so it's a powder, so we'll be using washing soda. Also we will use orange sweet essential oil and tea tree essential oil. The active in this ingredient are the tea tree essential oil and the white vinegar. The two have super charged disinfectant that can disinfect any top. So also we will not be using regular water this time around. You need we need boiled water. Okay, so I'll be using boiled water. That's slightly cool, just boiled water is the best. So as usual, look in the description box below for link to recipe I use in this video, but I will still be telling you what I use. I use 100 ml of water. Then I have my washing soda here. I use 15 ml. 15 ml is equivalent to 1 tablespoon. So I would dissolve the washing soda in the hot water. That's the first step. Dissolve your washing soda in hot water. So once that has dissolved, the next thing you want to do is to add the white vinegar to it. Here I'll be using 50 ml of white vinegar. Don't worry, you're going to hear a reaction. Well, nothing to worry about. It's just white vinegar reacting with the washing soda. As you can see, the solution is clearer now because there has been a reaction between the white vinegar and our washing soda. So the next thing we're going to do now is to add our essential oils. We're going to add 10 drops of tea tree essential oil. Tea tree essential oil. 10 drops. Then we'll add 10 drops of orange essential oil. If you also have you can also add 5 drops of lemon essential oil to your mixture to give it more power. So you can add 5 drops of lemon essential oil to the mixture to give it more power. So 10 drops of tea tree essential oil, 5 drops of lemon essential oil, and 5 drops of orange essential oil. Then you mix it together. Remember the dandy spray bottle we used the other time. This is the same bottle we're going to use this time around because it's also a disinfecting spray, so it's easier that way. Drops of lemon essential oil. Lemon is highly essential when it comes to cleaning, so that's why I cannot let it go without adding this super cleansing essential oil. And everything is set to go. Just then we throw it in the in the spray bottle. It smells amazing. The 3 essential oil we used are amazing essential oil. Orange, lemon, and tea tree. Okay, then we use white vinegar, then followed by washing soda. Okay, I remember we use boiled water, so make sure you shake it very well. Okay, shake it very well and spray it on the countertop. Remember, just like I said in my previous recipe treatment or DIY, sorry, make sure you don't use this on the marble, on the granite top, because the acid in the washing soda and the white vinegar will, you know, wash away your marble or granite. So be careful not to use this on a granite or on a marble top. So that's the precaution. Please note this. You don't want to destroy your precious marble top, or you know. So to use it, remember this is hot, so you want to make sure you open it and give it some time. Allow it to cool before you close it, because if you don't do that, condensation here might actually cause your, you know, your cleanser to be disinfected. Remember, we make this at home, it's all natural, so we have to really be careful how we use it. So make sure you open this up, make sure it's cool before you close it, because it's hot. Remember, we use boiled water. So now, just for showing, make sure you shake it very well, because the essential oil will suspend on top. We didn't use any solubilizer, it's a DIY. So make sure you shake it very well and spray it on any top you want to disinfect. Okay, now the catch here is, when you spray on any top you want to disinfect, you have to leave it on for at least, you know, 15 minutes. Leave it on for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes you can wipe it. Okay, after 15 minutes you can wipe it off. The amazing ingredient here: white vinegar, washing soda, and tea tree essential oil with lemon essential oil. They will have done an amazing job of disinfecting and cleansing your, you know, countertop, your cabinet, and everything you want to disinfect. As you can see, the difference is clear. It cleans wonderfully. So let me take this up and also disinfect. Let's just represent a countertop or a cabinet, for instance. So spray it on. The longer you leave it, the better it works. So you want to leave it there for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, and after that, then take your cloth, okay, and just wipe. Okay, and that's it. You have nothing to worry about. This is going to disinfect beautifully, because we have white vinegar, okay, and also we have a washing soda. Okay, so it's going to really disinfect beautifully, and it's not going to leave any white mess on your countertop or anything that you use it to disinfect. Remember, this is COVID time, so you want to make sure you use this to disinfect as much as possible. We can use it to disinfect your door handle, you know, anything that you know you want to disinfect, apart from granite and marble top. Okay, that's the only thing you don't want to use this for. But any other thing, this amazing cleanser is going to do a good job. And also, let me just bring this to your remembrance. I just saw something right now. I'm using something that can bleed easily. Okay, this ant oil is a type that can easily bleed. Like if I wash it, the green comes out easily. So if you use a towel that can bleed easily like this one, it may affect wherever you are disinfecting. Meaning it may give it a different color. It may give it the color. For example, this one, it may give it blue if care is not taken. So make sure you use a towel that will not bleed like this one. So that's about it for this video. If you have any question about this my special disinfecting wipe, them in the comment box below. And remember, don't forget to just watch this video. Also click the notification icon to be notified, and don't forget to click the subscribe button to be the first to know when I upload next video.